Have you ever watched a YouTube video and wondered how they make these smooth cuts, cool effects, and engaging edits? Well, that's the magic of video editing, and today I'll show you what it is and how you can get started, no experience needed. First of all, to start video editing, we should know what video editing is. Video editing is the process of arranging and modifying video clips to create a final polished product. It includes cutting, trimming, adding music, text, effects, and more. Some real life examples of video editing are in YouTube videos where vloggers cut out mistakes and add music, movies and TV shows where editors create smooth scene transitions, TikTok videos and Reels have fast edits and make videos fun and engaging. So it all counts down to this very important question. Why is video editing important? Good editing makes your videos engaging and professional. It makes people stick to your video. And it removes mistakes and awkward pauses, enhances storytelling with music and effects, and keeps the audience hooked with smooth transitions. Like, what happens when you show a before and after clip? So you show a raw, unedited clip, and then you show the same clip after cutting mistakes, adding music, and improving pacing. There you could see how important video editing is into enhancing your video. So now we know what video editing is, why is it important. Now, how do we start? First of all, we need tools, of course, a simple software. Well, we have some beginner-friendly editing software such as CapCut, iMovie, DaVinci Resolve. These are all free. But if you want a paid one, you could go with Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Well, I recommend starting with the free software and then upgrade as you improve, because at first you might not need all of those features, so sticking with the free software might be more cost efficient. Basic file types to know when it comes to video editing is MP4, which is the most common video format. WAV and MP3 are for audio files. PNG and JPEG are for pictures, so you could use them for overlays or thumbnails. So here I have recommended some beginner-friendly editing software. I want to tell you what I personally use, which is basically DaVinci Resolve, because it has a super wide amount of features and it's free. And if you want to upgrade, which is probably you'll only use the features for movies, it'll cost about $200 for a lifetime. That's why I like using it. So now you know how to get started in your video editing journey. What's next? Well, coming up next is a video where I will show you how to import footage and make your first cut in DaVinci Resolve. And I also want to know what kind of videos you want to edit, so comment down below in the comment section. And before we end, just make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe if you want more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.